Whiteboard animation. Many people think that creating a whiteboard animation video is a challenging task or requires expensive software. However, that notion is about to be proven wrong in today's video. I'll be teaching you how you can easily create a whiteboard animation video using Canva. And believe me, it's as simple as enjoying popcorn in a movie theater. As you may already know, utilizing whiteboard animation allows you to create videos in various niches, such as business, storytelling, finance, health, biography, and more. These videos tend to go viral, garnering zillions of views of their excellent audience retention. People watch them for a longer duration, resulting in significantly higher earnings. So grab a chair, a cup of tea, and sit down to learn. Also, stay tuned until the end of the video, where I'll introduce you to 2 tools that can further simplify your whiteboard animation journey. So let's go. First of all, you either go to Canva. I provided a link in the description below. If you haven't used Canva before, make sure to sign up first. After that, choose any format you prefer. I usually go for the video format. Alright, this is the dashboard. Now, let's add some elements here, such as text, icons, or characters. I'll go to the Elements section, where you'll find thousands of options. Since we want to create a whiteboard animation, let's search for Sketch. You'll see a variety of sketches, some free and some paid. Don't worry, I'll share a website at the end of the video where you can download unlimited sketch images for free. Now let me perform another keyword, money sketch. Let's click on See All. As you can see, we have numerous money-related sketches. I'll choose a good one and add it to the timeline. Then, I'll adjust its size and fit it here. Next, I'll add another sketch related to the first one. All right. Next, I will search for another keyword, which is idea. And I will add in here. Adjust it perfectly. Correct. Again, I'll go to the Elements section, and this time I'll add an arrow. This one is good. I'll add it between these 2 elements and adjust it perfectly. Just like this. Now I'll add some text. I'll place the text at the top and add some heading. I'll also change the font style and color. Let's add a little bit of shadow. Okay, this one looks great. One thing to note, you cannot add animations to these elements. Currently, we can only do whiteboard animation with images. So don't add animation. All right. Now, our work is complete and I'll download it from here. Remember, you should export it only in PNG format. Okay, I have successfully downloaded the PNG file. Now go back to Canva's homepage, go to Create Design again, and choose Video from here. This time, you need to go to Apps and search for Speed Paint. Open Hazali. This feature is only available in Canva's paid plan, so you can either purchase Canva or try its free trial. Okay, now, you need to upload the image here that you want to turn into a whiteboard animation. I'll upload the PNG file that I just created. After that, set the FPS. I recommend keeping it at 120 FPS for smooth animation. Then set the duration for the sketch. I'll keep it at 5 seconds. Okay, after that, set the color fill duration. If your image is colorful, you can set it to 3 seconds. Next, if you want to use a background color, you can do that too. However, for whiteboard animation, I don't think any color other than white will look good. So I'll keep it white. All right, in this step, make sure to tick the Add Sketch and Hand Effect option. If you leave it unticked, the hand animation won't be visible. Then keep the following option ticked as well. Okay. Finally, click on Animate Image. This will take a minimum of 1 minute. After that, your sketch animation video will be ready. I will fit it properly on the frame. All right, let's play. Wow, amazing my friend. You can see how realistic the animation video looks. After that, if you want, you can also cut the video from the timeline. In the same way, you can create more whiteboard animation videos. Just add a new page, add images from here, and animate the images. Once the video is ready, go to Share, then proceed to Download, and download the video in MP4 format from here. All right, now I'll tell you about some very useful websites that can make whiteboard animation easier for you. The first website is Ideogram. It's a platform where you can generate sketch images. First, sign up for it. Then, in the search box, type any image you want, like money sketch. Choose the aspect ratio and hit generate. You'll see that you have many good sketch images. Now you can easily download them from here and upload them to Canva for whiteboard animation. For me, this tool is Sketch. Choose the aspect ratio and hit Generate. You'll see that you have many good sketch images. Now you can easily download them from here and upload them to Canva for whiteboard animation. For me, this tool has been quite helpful. All right, the next website is Line.co. It's a platform where you can convert any image into a sketch. Simply upload your normal image here and click on Cancel Sketch. Within a second, your normal image will be converted into a sketch and you can download it. All right, so that was the complete tutorial on how you can create whiteboard animation using Canva. If the video was helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to watch the video where I teach you how to create